Gentlemen, welcome to the tool trailer. Figured I'd make a quick video on my tool trailer setup that I use for welding and fabrication and millwright work. I have a few guys that work for me, and this is our primary work trailer. Now, a lot of people in the welding and fabrication trades, especially millwright trades, they work out of a pickup truck or some sort of service truck, and I do that, and I have a service truck that I also have. But this trailer has become really handy because I can haul a lot more stuff in this trailer than I could in even like a large Kenworth service trailer or service truck, excuse me. It's a 16.5 foot enclosed, 8.5 foot wide trailer, 6-inch extra height, and I'm able to keep everything I need in here to show up on a job site and have enough tools for a handful of guys for most of what we do. It's especially handy when you have a fabrication job and you just don't know what you're getting into. You can have every process of welding in here, from TIG, MIG, stick, spool gun even. You can work out of this trailer and have everything you need. And it's really efficient also. Now, a lot of people you see in the trades that use an enclosed trailer are carpenters and plumbers and handymen and things of that sort. You rarely see welders and fabricators working out of this trailer. One of the biggest concerns I get from some people, is the exhaust gases coming from the Miller Trailblazer. Will that be an issue? And will you smell the gasoline and the exhaust fumes? And the answer is no, because for one, this giant ramp door on the back of the trailer, I fold that down and I open the man door, and I'm able to vent all the gases out the back. The exhaust is pointing out the back. I don't have to do any special plumbing. I don't have to rig up a pipe or anything like that. And all the hot gases coming out of the welder come out of the back of the Miller Trailblazer, venting that way. So I don't really have to worry about any of that. I've never once walked in here, be it running or not, and smelled any gasoline or exhaust fumes. It's no big deal. It gets loud in here and it gets hot in here because the welder puts off a lot of heat, but that's really not a big deal. Over here I have oxygen, acetylene, argon, CO2. I keep the spare bottles in the back of the truck. Right here, this is just kind of our quick out stuff. We got some piss can, some gasoline, things like that. A couple suitcases down here. A lot of times the mills we work at, they provide another generator source, so having 2 suitcases is good. You could get 2 guys welding, as well as if you want to weld off this thing with 2 welders, Miller Trailblazer 325. You can easily use like a little Miller 211 that plugs in a 220 cord. There's a little Max Star stick machine, things like that. This machine has no problem running 2 welders at one time, and one of the advantages to having this is I can have 2 guys working out of this trailer, and you could be running a plasma cutter and one of the suitcases or a stick or whatever at the exact same time using a 220 cord. I use the E-track system on the walls. That keeps me sort of organized. It's a little bit of a mess right now, but come along, straps, ladders, just a random shelf of rain gear and random stuff on there. Extra hoses, gas lines, air arc, extra cords, fall restraints, just some extension cords and stuff. I'm able to pretty much work 100 feet away from this trailer, no problem. At times I will rig up extra leads and we're like 200 feet away from it, but that's pushing it. Basically, there's an air compressor that's a Husky 75 PSI air compressor that keeps up with that hypotherm quite well. It's barely on the cusp of what it'll do, but you can rip full-length sheets of plate with the plasma cutter running off the welder and that Husky air compressor running off the welder at the same time, no problems. We got a job box over here, just some extra stuff, hand tools, chains, clamps, things like that. That folds down, kind of shows some of the squares and things like that I keep on the wall. We have our mobile break room up here with our microwave, coffee pot, that sort of thing. We got some battery chargers and some walkie-talkies we use to communicate while we're working. In the drawers, this roll-around toolbox, a lot of our layout stuff. Just quick access stuff that really makes the job go by faster, makes us more efficient. So there's lots of stuff in there. I'm not going to show you it all, but a lot of our filler metals, extra welding machines, scratch start setup in that box, concrete stuff. Now, a lot of the stuff in this trailer I don't keep in here all the time. Some of the stuff, like if I know I'm going to be showing up to a job and they're going to have us do some concrete work, I'll throw some extra tools in here, you know, concrete tools. And we have some stuff to cut boards and things like that, just because that's necessary a lot of times. But a lot of the transit stuff and things like that, we don't keep in here all the time. It's just not necessary for what we do. Primarily what we do is welding and fabrication inside of mills, general purpose millwright work. And it works great for that. So anyways, guys, I hope this video helps some of you guys. If you guys are thinking about an enclosed trailer, you want to run a welder out of it. I know there wasn't a lot of videos showing that when I had this idea to put this together, but I'm really glad it did. It works out great. I'm able to keep my truck a truck and use it for other things. And this is basically mobile fab shop. So anyways, guys, hope that helped you. Thanks for watching. Bye.